Okay, so of course the first thing I'm going to do is start Xcode. I'm going to create a new project. It's going to be an app, and I'm just going to call it A2. Okay, so A2 is going to be there on my desktop again. You probably don't want to do that, but that's simple for me. And here's what we have for my content view. Now inside my struct right here, I'm going to create some variables. So I'm going to say variable first name, and I'm going to camel case that, and I'm also going to spell it correctly after the first try. And I'm going to say Bill, and I'm going to say variable age equals 49. I'm not quite 50 yet, so we're just going to keep riding that one for a few more months. Variable email equals bill@mosley.com. Not actually an address, but that's fine. This is just for fun anyway. So inside the body right here, I am going to go ahead and keep my VStack, and I'll keep the padding that's attached to that VStack as well. But now I'm going to put something else there. I'm going to say text, and I'm going to say first, as a string, first name, and inside that string, I'm going to put a backslash and parentheses, and inside those parentheses, I'm going to say first name. And that you can see that turns blue because it's referencing that same variable. And there's first name Bill. And of course, if I want to, I can do things like font, and I can say large title to make it big. And then I can say another line, which is text age. And inside that, I'm going to put the age variable. And let's go ahead and make that a headline, and we'll just fill in the rest of the email here, and font, I'll do that one. Ooh, I'm going to do that as a headline too. Caption is just too small. There we go. And so there we go. There is my beginning of a personal information card. You be creative and do what you want to do. You might throw in some icons or some different colors or something like that. But that is the basic assignment 2 and how it all comes together.